Python is revolutionizing industries with its elegant syntax and powerful libraries. From gaming to artificial intelligence, web development to data science, it stands as the most popular programming language, transforming technology and problem-solving worldwide. Python's role in game development is transformative. It offers frameworks like Pygame for 2D games, Easy AI for intelligent two-player games, and Panda 3D for advanced 3D game engines. Its simple syntax facilitates rapid prototyping, allowing developers to test mechanics swiftly. Python's cross-platform capabilities ensure games run seamlessly on various operating systems with minimal adjustments. Python excels in game development with libraries like Pygame for 2D games, Easy AI for intelligent opponents, and Panda 3D for 3D experiences. Its simple syntax supports rapid prototyping, allowing quick iteration of game mechanics. The Minimax algorithm enhances artificial intelligence in strategy games, while cross-platform compatibility ensures broad accessibility. This Pygame script illustrates creating a game window and character movement. It initializes an 800 by 600 display, sets player position and speed, and processes keyboard input for movement. The game loop handles events, updates player position, and renders the scene, maintaining a smooth 60 frames per second. This forms the foundation for more complex game mechanics. The Easy AI framework simplifies artificial intelligence in games by defining game rules with Python classes, implementing the Negamax algorithm for move evaluation, and creating an artificial intelligence player with strategic depth. Testing and optimization refine artificial intelligence performance. In Tic-Tac-Toe, the artificial intelligence uses Negamax for decision-making, ensuring efficient gameplay against human opponents. Python's dominance in artificial intelligence and machine learning is evident with 57% developer adoption. Its extensive library ecosystem, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, accelerates development. Python's simplicity and versatility enable rapid prototyping, offering a 3 times productivity gain. These factors make it the preferred choice for artificial intelligence/machine learning projects. Python dominates artificial intelligence and machine learning with 57% developer adoption, thanks to its extensive library ecosystem, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and transformers. These tools enable rapid prototyping, with developers experiencing a 3 times productivity gain. Python's versatility and robust frameworks make it the preferred choice for building scalable artificial intelligence solutions. Python's versatility powers Netflix's recommendation engine, analyzing viewing patterns of over 230 million users to boost engagement by 80%. In autonomous vehicles, Tesla and Waymo use Python for real-time sensor data processing, ensuring safe navigation. In healthcare, Python-based systems achieve over 95% accuracy in disease detection, aiding radiologists globally. Using Python's scikit-learn, we train a decision tree classifier on the Iris dataset. The model achieves 96% accuracy, showcasing Python's simplicity and power in machine learning. The script splits data, trains the model, and visualizes accuracy over 50 iterations, highlighting Python's capability in handling machine learning tasks efficiently. Python's versatility extends to web development with frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI. Django offers a full-featured environment with an admin panel and object relational mapping, powering platforms like Instagram. Flask provides simplicity for smaller projects, while FastAPI excels in building high-performance application programming interfaces. These frameworks showcase Python's ability to handle diverse web development needs efficiently. Python frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI are pivotal in web development. Django, a full-featured framework, powers giants like Instagram, handling billions of requests. Flask offers simplicity for smaller apps, while FastAPI excels in building high-performance APIs with async support. These frameworks showcase Python's versatility and efficiency in web applications. This minimal Flask application demonstrates how to create a simple web server. By importing Flask, defining a route, and returning a greeting message, developers can quickly build web applications. Save the code as app.py, run it, and access your app at http:// python.com/localhost:5000 to see it live. Python web frameworks like Django, Flask, FastAPI, and Pyramid dominate startup backend infrastructure with over 70% adoption. Key reasons include rapid development, strong community support, and scalability. Python developers enjoy an 87% job satisfaction rate, the highest among backend technologies. Startups using Python frameworks launch 40% faster than those using other technologies. Python's versatility and automation is unmatched. Selenium automates web interactions, enhancing testing efficiency. PyAuto GUI handles GUI tasks, streamlining desktop operations. Built-in libraries like OS and Shoodle manage files effortlessly. Dropbox leverages Python for seamless file synchronization. Developers save 15 hours weekly with an 83% error reduction, as over 5 million Python scripts run daily worldwide. Python's power and automation is unmatched. Selenium automates web interactions, crucial for testing and data extraction. PyAuto GUI handles GUI tasks, perfect for repetitive desktop activities. Libraries like OS and Shoodle streamline file management. Dropbox leverages Python for seamless file synchronization. On average, developers save 15 hours weekly with an 83% error reduction thanks to Python automation. This Selenium script showcases Python's capability in automating web tasks. It logs into a website, extracts sales data, and saves it to a comma-separated values file. By automating these steps, Python reduces manual effort and errors, enhancing efficiency in data handling tasks. Python's data science ecosystem is robust, featuring pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computing, Matplotlib for visualizations, and Seaborn for statistical graphics. The 2025 Kaggle survey highlights Python's dominance, with over 80% of data scientists using it for analysis, machine learning, and visualization, driven by its intuitive syntax and comprehensive libraries. Python's data science ecosystem is robust, featuring pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computing, Matplotlib for visualizations, and Seaborn for statistical graphics. Over 80% of data scientists prefer Python, with 67% using pandas daily and 54% creating visualizations weekly, highlighting its industry dominance and versatility. Analyzing quarterly sales data with Python, we use Matplotlib and Seaborn to visualize trends. The data shows consistent growth across all products, with Product A leading with a 51% revenue increase. This demonstrates Python's capability in transforming raw data into compelling visual stories, enhancing data-driven decision-making. Python's versatility empowers innovation across fields like game development, AI, web applications, automation, and data science. Its elegant syntax and robust libraries make it accessible for all. Start your Python journey today with online tutorials and join the global community. Your next breakthrough is just a Python script away.